Alright, hey, this is Hans, the Ramen Rater, coming at you with another instant noodle cooking time with the Ramen Rater. And coming at you on probably the hottest day of the summer here in Western Washington. It's already freaking hot. It was like 83 degrees at 11 in the morning. That's hot. That means it's probably going to get about to 95 here. And yeah, too much. Anyways, today we have something from Japan. I did a shio from Japan yesterday. Today I am doing a tonkotsu from Japan, and these both came out of Umai Crates. Umai Crate is something by a company called Japan Crate, and they make a thing called the Umai Crate. And the Umai Crate is a monthly subscription thing. You can buy one and call it good, but you can get it every month, and you get a box of different kinds of instant noodles, and it's pretty cool. They put some neat stuff in there, so yeah, definitely something to check out if you're having trouble finding varieties that I'm showing you. There's some pretty good stuff in those. So this, I think, is from the July crate, or it's the June crate. It takes a while for them to get here, so anyway, so this one is a straight noodle, and look, it comes with a little piece of cardboard. Woo! Keeps it straight. But yeah, these are straight noodles. Come on, you. And you'll probably be like, hey, that's spaghetti. Nope. These are just called straight noodles. And actually a lot of ramen looks this way. This is more standard stuff. And some of my favorite noodles are this style, and they go for 2 minutes in 500 mils of water, which might be like, whoa, only 2 minutes, what gives? But if you do it for more than that, they get a little rowdy. So you don't want rowdy noodles, folks. You just don't. They'll mess you up. Anyways, and yeah, you gotta kind of stir them in and make sure they're happy, but that's about it. What's nice with these two, some of them you have to do the broth separately. These you don't, so I don't mind that. Whoa, come on, stupid thing. I averted boil-apocalypse. Cool. So, yeah, hot weather. What's going on? Stoked. A new book is coming in the mail from my son. He likes this book called Llama Llama Easter Egg. He's really into it. And he's, like, memorized it. He's so into it. And it's kind of cute because he doesn't say L's, he says Y's. So he's all, it's like, you want to read a book? He's all, yama yama. And it's pretty funny. Anyway. So that's coming in the mail. I know there's always instant noodles coming in the mail, which is rad. I've been sending out some lately to a couple people, which is fun too. Finally, after, I want to say, almost, probably at least 4 years, getting a new battleship for my desk, new computer. And it'll be fast, and it'll do good for at least 4 years. It's like, the more I branch out into like multimedia and video and stuff like that, the more it taxes these things. I mean, I don't turn them off, I had a computer teacher tell me, never turn off your computer, never. And that was a long time ago. But, yeah, Mr. Sherritt, wherever you are, you're the man. He was a good guy. We really gave him a run for his money in his class. A lot of hassling, but he was cool. This guy was a really nice guy. He kind of got shafted by the school. This was in high school. He kind of got shafted because they gave all the new computer equipment to like the business technology class. So we were down there trying to learn how to do programming, And up there, they were trying to do home row with machines that like just eclipsed the equipment we were using. We were using what were called Morrow MD11s, which came out, oh, very, very early 80s. And this was, what, 93? I was class 93, so that was probably like 91 or 92. Yeah. But yeah, they ran, you might have heard of DOS. Before DOS, there was something called CPM, and it was an operating system that was invented or written by a fellow, I believe it was by him, a guy named Gary Kildall. And CPM stood for Control Program for Machines, whereas DOS stood for Disk Operating System. Yeah, who'd have thought I would know all this computer crap, huh? Well, I have been a fan of computers for eons and eons. And the new stuff, like this new one, has an Intel i7 processor, like the current one I have. And it's like, whatever happened to Pentium? I liked Pentium. It's like 1, 2, 3, 4. And then they killed it. They started doing the Core Duo. Then they did the i3, i5, and i7s. And that's where it's kind of stuck. So, I don't know. I liked, I liked just like, let's keep going with the numbers. It's going to be okay. I know you want to call it something cooler than what what you're probably going to have to call. I mean, who wants to buy a, like a Pentium 27, but hey, it works. It's a good scheme of understanding which one is newer and better. Because when you have an Intel i7 4820K and an Intel i7 8700, which one's better? Of course, the number that's higher at the end, you'd think. But what's the K about? What's this about? It's just like so much crap. When I was younger, I would definitely be able to tell you exactly what's up with every single one that was around. Because that was just like my ultra passion. I was going to work in, I went through a whole community college thing. I was just passionate about computers for the longest time. And I still am in some regards, but not in the same way. I like to have my machines a certain way. If they're working, that's good. If they run, if they boot. And I do things a certain way. But honestly, I don't build my own machines. I think I did that once and I got all the parts, and I just, with my vision and all that, it really just doesn't help. All my friends are like, dude, you should just build your own machine. It's like, can you build it for me? And it's tough to get a 2-year on-site warranty for a machine you built yourself, I'm guessing. So that I appreciate. Anyways, while I've been rambling, I am throwing now some spring onion or scallion or green onion, whatever you prefer to call it. It's all the same. That broth is looking, oh, dough. I was yammering I didn't taste it here. Nothing has fouled this edge. Look at that. That's pretty. Creamy. Creamy. And yeah, I haven't really mixed anything in, so I don't think this has been fettered. Look at that, straight noodle. Nice and chewy. A little doughy. Pa-dow. Yeah. So we got softy egg, we got the chashu, we got the mung bean sprouts. You get to see it now if you weren't able to see it before. There's a little bit of sesame seed. And instead of the last video I did, I used Nanami Togarashi. We're going to use the one I usually use, which is the Shichimi Togarashi from, what do you call it? House Foods. If you want to get buzzed off your foods, get housed, I guess. So, yeah. But there we have it, ladies and gentlemen. There is some lovely looking tonkatsu. Oh, they mentioned putting fried garlic on this. Hold on, I got some. I wish I had some get to the fried garlic music for you, but I don't. Oh man, dude. Oh well. I will never, ever. I have no idea where that is. I might have chucked it. I've had it for a long time. Like, I've had that fried garlic for a couple years. And now the noodles are kind of acting a little nonchalant. They're like, hey, this broth is really good. Let's hang out in here. So we're going to let it kind of hop up a little bit. But yeah, there you go. As you see, that's a lovely tonkatsu that you can enjoy at home. Yeah. Well, there you go. Sitting, hanging out, hot stove. This was the... Where is it? The brand is Itsuki, Itsuki, and it's a Mokusa Tonkatsu from Kumamoto Tonkatsu Mokusa. I don't know. You'll see it. But yeah, this came from Umai Crate. Thank you. And yeah, you can check them out. I'll throw something in the description. And speaking of the description and other junk, so I hope you enjoyed this video and maybe want to look at these, maybe want to subscribe. I don't know, whatever you want to do, I'm okay with it, because, you know, I'm like that. So, alright, well, hey, this has been Hans the Ramen Rater, wishing you enjoyment of your noodles every day. Stay cool, my friends. Later.